All right, gang. Welcome back. Welcome back to another Checo Forex live stream. It's Sunday night today, and I decided to jump on stream just to kind of get a nice overview of the markets early. We might get some movement today, so I figured, you know what, let's get on stream and see if we got some opportunities we can jump into. All right, let's take a look and see. Go into the gold chart right quick. Yeah, I have marked that fair value gap there. I'm gonna leave that there. All right, so it looks like we're moving up already. All right, so yeah, we got this. I had already marked this up. So we have this support level here, this resistance level here, all-time highs. This is off the 1 hour right quick, and yeah, we kind of formed this support level here. Now we're kind of pushing up. I'm gonna wait and see how we close on this candle. There a breakout of this level, or we broke above the previous candle high. Let's see. See, we start making our way up. Might be interested in taking some buys here. Let's take it over to the weekly right quick. Let me just delete everything. I'll do everything. All right, so we have the weekly candle opening. I think we might come up, make a top wick here, maybe hit that 2600 level perhaps, and then I'm expecting to come all the way back down. Our targets are these wicks here for the support level. We'll look at that off the smaller time frames. All right, so that's off the weekly. On the daily time frame, again, we have that that support level there, and yeah, we have no resistance just yet, off the daily. So it's not really telling how high it can go, but we always use the Fibonacci real quick. Let's see. All right, so from the low to the high, yeah, so we did close above this level here, so we might tap into this 2600 2603 level before we make our way back down. It's possible, or we might push up, at least take out the highs here and then come down. So that's possible. That is possible, gang. All right, let's take it down to the 4 hour. And yeah, look at the 4 hour. It's a beautiful level. Let me use this support level here off the 4 hour. So yeah, you can see, right? Look at this clear support at this point. So I'm expecting a little bit more of a push up, right? And then we should come back and tap this level, and we might see something like this, for example, right? We might go up here a little bit, right? And come down to tap into that support, and then can either bounce up and take it all the way up, but if we close below, then yeah, we're driving down here. So that's the scenario. I think we're gonna come up around more or less right around that Fibonacci level. That's at 2603. So yeah, so we expect a little bit more of a push up perhaps, and then the drive down, right? So that's what I'm expecting. So let's see we could take advantage of that tonight. If we see the opportunity, we'll take it. If not, then we'll sit it out. I'm gonna zone in on this level right here off the 1 hour, right? So we're gonna keep an eye on this level here. We come back down. If this candle made this top wick and flips bearish and closes below, then we can look for the sells right away, right? Gang, I hope everybody had a great weekend. If you are on stream, just don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't done so yet. And yeah, hope everybody enjoyed their weekend. It's a football Sunday, right? So yeah, let me see. For those guys that like to do some fantasy football, right? I'm gonna wait the next 10 minutes. You see the 30-minute candle If we get a little closure above this little minor resistance here, this candle can close above. I might be interested in taking some buys up. Let's see. You know, tonight is more of a quick scalp entry per se, but sometimes we can get a nice little push up and grab, you know, 40, 50 pips. That can happen for us tonight, but we'll see. See what happens in the next 10 minutes. And what do you think gold is going to do this week? You know, we have the FOMC, not FOMC, the Fed rate decision. They're expected to cut rates. So what do you guys think? You know, leave it on the comments there and let me know. What do you think? Gold is going up? Gold is going down? Let's see. Oh, you know what? Let's take a look at NASDAQ in the meantime, right? Let's jump over to the 1 hour here. Yeah, so this is what I think is going to happen with NASDAQ. Let me, as a matter of fact, first let's go to the 4 hour. Let's go over this real quick. I want to give you guys my perspective. By the way, this is the fair value gap, but I'm going to delete that for now. I'm just going to go over the levels we're potentially targeting, right? So I think that the NASDAQ is going to make a little push up, right? And dive down. But, right? We do have that level right there. We come down and break below that, we're going to start coming down. You know, I think the market's anticipating the rate cuts, and that's gonna drive it down. And remember, we still have this gap from last Sunday, right? We have this gap right down here. So I feel like we'll come down and fill that gap down here. So yeah, so I'm looking for a move like this, right? Tap into that level there. Since we so close, I think we'll just complete the drive up, and then we're gonna come all the way down here and perhaps beyond. But if I take that sell from here, I'm just targeting the bottom of the range here. So that's over 1,000. It's like 1,200 points, 1,300 points on the NASDAQ. So yeah, it's gonna be a nice trade. But let's see if we get that, just that small extra push. We don't need much to get up there, but if this is what it gave us here from last week, we come down and break below this support level here, I'll start looking for positions to come down. Yeah, I'm looking to trade the NASDAQ this week for sure. We're back on gold here. Let's keep an eye on this here for now. Go back to the 30-minute actually. I'm waiting for this closure. Let me just leave the level marked up for myself right here. We got a closure above this little support level here. I mean resistance, right? This minor resistance off the 30-minute. You know, we got a little bit of a pull down. I'll take the entry right off the rip there. Let's see how we're gonna close here. We got 6 minutes. Not putting much risk on the table. You know, I'll probably stops will probably be at the break of the 30-minute lows down here, around 25,777 or so, 76, somewhere right down here, right below this wick here. I have my stops there. You know, risk, you know, 40 pips at most. You know, so let's see. We're getting a strong push up here. We'll wait. 3 minutes to this candle closure. We definitely want a top wick here. If we don't get a top wick off the 30, then I'll move over to the 1 hour and then wait for this candle to close here. I definitely want to get a top wick on this candle. One second, gang. I'm gonna go get my drink. I'm initially going to target the top of this range here, especially for some partials, and then we'll probably ride it up to that 2600 level up here somewhere. We'll see. If we're unable to get into this trade here off of this candle closure, we can always wait for the break of the level up here. We'll still take the ride up if we break this level either way. I was hoping we can, kind of pull up, close above, give us a top wick, but it's driving. So if it drives, gang. All right, we got 5 seconds here. We got this top wick here. I'll be interested, gang. Let's see. All right. Yeah, gang, I'm gonna take an entry. All right, I took a buy right here. And yeah, I'm in, gang. Oh, sorry. Move this over here. Sorry about that. Right there. All right, gang. Yeah, that was my entry. 2582 .0.051. So yeah, I got in around 2582, gang, on this buy position. I'm taking this off the 30-minute. So yeah. And my stops are gonna be, I'm just calculating. I'm gonna put it below here. right? Right below this wick here. There's some room. So my stops are at 2577. Then I'm taking partials at the top of the range here, and yeah, I'm set my TP all the way at. Let me just type that in so I don't have to drag it. All right. 2600 is the target, the overall target, right? And 2577 is the stop loss. All right. All right, gang, we're in here. We're in here. I'm gonna type all the information on the trade on screen in a second. I'm just opening up my brokerage thing on the screen here for myself. It's taking forever to load up though. This thing, all right, it's not loading up, but in the meantime, while that loads up, let me go to the 1 hour here. All right, let's type this up here. This is where we're at. Come on here. All right, this is where we're at right now, gang. Now we wait. See if this thing loaded up. Oh, there it is. All right, give me a second, gang. I want to do this up on my screen. Oh, this thing is so damn slow. All right. Yeah, we have a 50 pip stop loss on this trade, by the way. Just sorry, a 50 pip stop loss. That's what I said on there. Let's see if we get a push up. All right, let's stay patient, gang. Let's see if we're gonna get this push up here. In 17 minutes, if this candle closes like this bullish, it's a good sign as well. I don't know if we're gonna get a pullback here and kind of flip and close bearish or anything like that. I don't see that happening, at least for the time being. But let's wait and see. Yo, Lani Mambo, what's up, bro? Welcome to the stream, man. Good to hear from you, bro. When this go by, man, we're right at entry now. If you wanted to, yeah, we're in this trade now. My entry was at 2582. Yeah, there's still time to get in if you want to jump in. Yeah, we're in like a 4-pip drawdown right at the moment, so. We're looking at this. Let me just stop loss. It's right here on the screen. Is a stop loss at 2577. TP is all the way at the 2600 target. All right, let's the heck. Oh, what I want to do. This is what I want to do right here. I'll take a look at the NASDAQ right quick. I just want to see what it's doing. Yeah, this is where I'm looking for the NASDAQ to tap into here. We can come up, tap into there. I'll be looking for sales right around this area here. Nothing doing there yet, so we'll just lay low for now. Yeah. Do we have any news early today for the Asia or London? Let me take a look right quick here. Let's open my browser right quick. There we go. All right, yeah, we don't have anything going on. Yeah, nothing for Monday either. We have core retail sales and retail sales. That's at 8:30 Tuesday morning, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. Yeah, not much happening tonight or tomorrow. All right. We're currently running 3 pips in profit at the moment, so we're kind of starting to inch our way up here. See if we can continue to push up into this range up here. Siam, you looking to sell gold? We'll see. Go reject here and come down. But I think gold is going to make a push up first before it decides to come down, perhaps. But we'll see. We're in this range here. And, I think we're going to at least push up here, retest this high right here. But yeah, I'm with you, man. I do think gold is gonna come down. Gold is gonna come all the way down to this level down here, right down here. But before it does that, I think it's gonna make another slight push up, maybe re-break the highs here, and then flip. But my stops are right below this candle low here. If we re-break this low here, and then we can maybe consider taking the entries down if we get a closure below. But this support was formed here, and when this candle started pushing up, we got in off the 30-minute closures. When we got the pullback here, then we got in. When did I enter this trade? What is that, deep? Yeah, we've been in this trade. I don't know. Maybe we got in off the 30 minutes. So yeah, about 25 minutes or so. Yeah, haven't been in it very long. Yeah, so we're about to get this 1 hour closure here in the next couple of minutes. Um, it's a nice bullish closure here. It's stalling on somewhere around this resistance here, but we did break this minor resistance here. Again, form this support down here as well. So maybe we can get the push up here to tap into the top of the range and see if we can break out. Sayam, where you tuning in from, man? Where you watching the stream from? You as well, Deep. Where you guys watching from? Where you guys at right now? All right. We got 25 seconds till this candle closure. Looks like it's gonna give us a nice top wick here, and we might get a bit of a pull down and then continuation. So let's see. Might be a quick reaction on my end here. If we start pushing up with no bottom wick when we break the highs here, um, I'll probably go break even. But if we come down to make the bottom wick first, then I'll hold on because probably gonna come down, make a bottom wick, and then flip. Just give us a bottom wick. No, it didn't. Coming up first, okay. Yeah, we came up first, gang. Me, my apologies. Clicked on the wrong thing. I went break even on this trade here, gang, only because we don't have a bottom wick. So if you price was 2582. Yeah. You see how we came up with no bottom wick here? And came up to the highs here. More likely we're just making this top wick and we're gonna flip. But I'm break even, but we're in profit, gang. Yep. Yeah. All right, we're in profit 3 pips, but yeah, I went break even here, gang. If it gives us a nice pull up here before we flip, it's all right. But yeah, I went break even. Yeah, that's why I went break even. I told you I was gonna react quickly, um, because we didn't get the bottom wick. If we would have come down, made a bottom wick, and then flipped, then I would have held on. But let's see. Yeah, we're running about 4 pips now. Yeah, we're probably gonna break the highs here, the previous candle high, and then we're gonna flip. I'll write it out. I'm not gonna close it. I already adjusted my stops to break even here, so I'm okay with it. You know, flipping back down. But yeah, we had to react quickly here, only because again, no bottom wick here, so don't want to be in this trade. It already came and broke the previous 1 hour highs, and now it can flip. So yeah, I'm out, Frank. Okay, yeah, it took me out. All right, gang, I'm out of this trade here. Yeah, took me out. Yeah, it took me out with 12 bucks. All right. Yeah. Um, it's all right, gang. You see how we came up? Once this candle closed, it gave us a top wick we wanted. We do have a bottom wick here, but we came up and rebroke the previous highs without a bottom wick. So when that happens, it's safer to come down, because this candle more likely than not is gonna flip bearish to make a bottom wick. It might come back down to the bottom of the range, and um, you know, I might stick around for a little while longer. I got some time tonight, so let's wait for the setup. Now, what I'm gonna do at this point is I'm either gonna wait for this to continue to push up, but once we're in this level here, I'll wait to see how we're gonna react. If we get a closure above here, I'll look for buy positions here once we confirm the breakout here. But if now if this candle flips bearish and we start coming down, if we break this low here, this support level, then yeah, we can start looking for those sells. All right, gang. So we're waiting. We're waiting here at this point. See how it's coming back down? Look at that. We rebroke the highs, but then right, this candle can come back down and reflip bearish, because we need to make a bottom wick on this candle. So that's the reason why I went break even, and we got stopped out at break even. So yeah, no harm, no foul, right? We have to manage risk, gang, and again, sometimes we have to react quickly. So all right. All right. Yeah, there we go. You see how it's coming back down? Yeah, look, it's flip bearish now. Now it can come down, make the bottom wick, and then flip and continue in the direction we had in mind. But then again, right? This candle closed here. We came back, slightly broke the highs here, and now we're reflipping bearish here. So this candle can stretch all the way down here. So we'll see if this support level holds. If it does come down here, and this level holds, we can probably take a better entry from down here. And ride it up. All right, gang. But for now, we'll wait. Yeah, I'll leave the stream on. I'm gonna go take a break, but I'll get back on camera once you know we see how this candle closes in a little bit. All right, gang. So stay tuned, and I'll be right back. Yeah, you see gold pushed up, but now you're getting this rejection here. But it's a long ways to this candle closure here. We're looking on the 15 minutes coming down. No top wick here. You might come back up and make a top wick here. So still gonna wait. Yeah, I'll wait for the break of this level here. If we break below here, you know, we can look for sell opportunities, right? But we might come down and this level can hold, and then we're gonna get pushed back up. Oh, yeah, Bitcoin's been dumping. Yeah, Bitcoin just tapped right into the support level right here. I'd be looking for a bounce on Bitcoin here. And if we break this support level here, look at this. We have some support here, but we can drop down to this level here and then continue down. We have a fair value gap right here too. And gold came right back up. Look, it's right around our entry now. It's right around that 2582. Let's see. I want to see if we're going to come up and get a closure up here above that level. right, so we rebroke the previous 1 hour highs here. Got about 28 minutes though. Yeah, it looks like our initial setup's playing out here. It's all good though. If we do get that push here and we get a closure above here, then yeah, it'll be nice. Very nice. See if we can push up here. I'm keeping an eye on this level here too. You see how we have this little minor resistance here. Kind of this little series of candles here. So it's tapping into that level, but you know, see if we can break above that and come up here and break above here. Let's just see. Bottom right here, so we came and tapped that level, and yeah, we're coming down here. Maybe make a little bit of a bottom wick. Hopefully continue to move up. It's just having a hard time breaking this resistance level here. It keeps coming up, tapping into it, and push down from here. You can push up and close above, or continue to push up and close above here. That would be fantastic. There we go. We're right at the level. Can we break it? I want to try to break this level here. If we break this level here, then, you know, more likely that will continue to push up, you know. But the most interesting part will be coming up to this level here and seeing how it reacts here. But closure above will be awesome. Then we can re-enter with potential buy positions. If not, then we'll probably call it a night here. It's rejecting that area. There's just having a hard time breaking above. Now let's see what it does the next 20 minutes or so, and then we'll decide what we're gonna do at that point. It's pushed into that level like 3 or 4 times during this candle, and it's just keeps getting pushed down. It's fighting. It's fighting to push up. And like I said, we want to see what's going to happen if we break past this little resistance level here, and then into this one right up here. Both struggling to push up. I mean, granted, that's not a lot of volume at this time, so today, but let's see, we might get a little something, you know. We were in a buy position, but then we went break even when this candle pulled down. It took us out at break even, and now we came up, tapped this level here, and then yeah. But yeah, look at that. It got pushed back down here. So if this candle closes bearish, then it might want to push down instead. But we got a bullish closure on the 1 hour. You know, mean a little something here, but doesn't seem like we're gonna, you know, at least not, you know, anytime soon. Maybe later on, or the London, pre-London and London, there might be some more movement on gold, but I won't be on stream that long, so. Yeah, big push back down here. Patience, gang. Some of you want to sell, some of you want to buy. My advice is wait. Just wait it out. Don't jump into anything. Don't force any trades. You know, I wouldn't, guess. Just don't guess. Just wait for price action. Wait for candles to print. Wait for, levels to be broken. So, it just gives you the higher probability trade. You know what I mean? If you take a buy now, especially after you're watching this rejecting this level, you take a buy position here, for example. Hey, listen, it's a 50-50 chance that this thing is going to go in your favor. But what if this candle flips and then the next one come down here? Then where are you going to put your stops, right? If it comes and breaks this level, then you're going to have to jump out of the trade or it's going to hit your stops, But if you wait for a closure above here, then now we have a breakout of this level here. And, you can set up your buy entries at the break of the highs of the previous candle high or whatever. But or if it comes down here and breaks this level, then you have it's a high chance you're going to start coming down, down to these support levels down here. So yeah, just wait for the high probability setups. That's my advice. For all we know, this thing's gonna range right in here. It's gonna come up, come down, come up, come down. It's gonna stay in here till later tonight, or till tomorrow or so. But we'll see. Yeah, we got 15 minutes of this 1 hour closure. It doesn't look like it's gonna break out of that 25.84 or break below here either. Looks like it's just gonna range for the rest of the night. We'll see. 15 minutes, a lot of time, so we'll wait for this candle to print and see what happens. Yeah, this candle flip bearish. current 15-minute has no top wick here. We'll come down and then we flip. All right, 10 minutes, gang. Let's wait these next 10 minutes and again, we'll make a decision and we'll see what we're gonna do. But it doesn't seem like we're gonna really go anywhere at this point, at least not within the next hour or so, because still in this range here. We didn't break out of this minor support, minor resistance, and this support level's been formed and it hasn't broke out yet. So yeah, I think we're just gonna range in here. So very unlikely we'll make a move tonight. But with that said, you know, I do think we're gonna come up to this 2600 area. We will make another push up, and then I'm expecting a massive drop down to this target down here. See these levels here? You can see it better off the 4 hour too. See this support level down here? I see us making another push to the upside. Maybe we breaking the highs, making new all-time highs, and then boom. I think we're gonna come crashing down. That's what I think. But again, right? It's not financial advice. It's just my opinion. This could also be, you notice, right? I need to push up. This could be a little bit of a bullish flag pattern here too for me, you know? You can kind of see it there. Yeah, we had this push up with the highs, and then now we're kind of drifting slightly. From the peak up here, we're tapping right into that flag, top of the flag there. So, you know, in a case like that, you know, it's somewhat of an indication, right? You know, we're gonna probably go sideways here, but then break up. You know, now or sometimes it breaks below, but it's a bullish flag pattern. So we got this flag pattern here, trickling down like this. But if we break above, like I said, break that. We could do the horizontal one. See right there? If we come up and then re-break that, then yeah, we can see the push up. Definitely see the push up. All right, 5 minutes to candle closure, and it's currently bullish, right? Came down at the bottom wick, pushed up, took out the previous highs, but then I've been getting rejected right off of this. I'm gonna keep that there just for now, but not much happening. Yeah, we pushed into this little resistance level right here, and then we just kind of got pushed down a little bit. Just having a hard time breaking above that there. Now I want the break of this level here. I want to close above here, and then look for buy opportunities. Or, you know, same case in this. If we come down and break support, close below this support level, then yeah, I'll be glad to take those sells down. But with 4 minutes left, I mean, look, it's starting to push back up. Let's see. 4 minutes left. If we stay inside this range here, you know, we stay inside this range the rest of the night here, meaning the last 4 minutes, then I'm gonna call it a. If we do break above this line of resistance here, I'll stick around to see if we're gonna come up and close above here. And yeah, maybe there'll be some opportunities, but if we close below here, we're probably just gonna range. Oh, there we go. We're pushing up here, gang. We're coming back to retest that high right here. This resistance here. See if we're gonna push above it. See, we got a little bit of kick left in it. Last 2 minutes or so. All right, gang, we got 30 seconds. Will we close above? Now we're getting pushed down again from that same level. Oh, okay. I was just told it was the bank holiday in Japan. That's probably why there's not much volume. You're probably right. You're probably right, Tony. Yeah. Well, we did get the bullish closure, right? Mentioned that before, that that's a good sign that potentially can maybe want to push up, but we failed to break this minor resistance. We didn't come up. We didn't even tap this resistance level here. Yeah, I think we're kind of range in here. But yeah, gang. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a night. It's Sunday. Market just opened. I figured we get an opportunity. We would have made some profits here. What our entry was 25.82, and it peaked just slightly above the line. Yeah, ow. The trade would have gone up 9 pips. That would have been the highest point in the trade that we were in previously. So now we opened up, no bottom wick. So we're gonna probably come up, tap in here. Who knows? Maybe even come up here, no bottom wick, and then come back down. So yeah, but if you are gonna stay in the markets, for a couple hours longer, just I would advise just wait for the break of this level or wait for the break of this level and then take your setup. But yeah, I'd stay out of this range for now. All right, gang. My platform members, I will be trading the New York session tomorrow. It's a big week for us. We have the Fed rate decision Wednesday. That's the biggest news this week. So yeah, let's be ready. Let's be ready, and don't forget to hit the like, subscribe button on your way out as well. I appreciate you guys tuning in, hanging out, and I hope you guys learned something today as well. Sometimes no trade is always it's not always a bad thing, right? Yeah, exercise discipline today. So yeah, everybody have a great night, and yeah, I'll be back at it tomorrow. All right, gang, peace.